Hello, everyone. Today we are presenting our ALT Conceptual Framework, which visually integrates key theories in English language teaching to achieve one central objective, which is communicative competence. So, as you can see here, as you can see at the heart of our model here, the communicative competence, the ability to use English effectively and appropriately in real world context is the ultimate goal of all effective language teaching or effective English language teaching. So our framework is continuous cycle designed to guide teachers in creating lessons that are structured, supportive, and functional. And we organize the framework into four interacting components. Here, first is the foundation, next, method, third is scaffolding, and self correction. So, now let's begin with the starting point of our process, which is the foundation.
Our framework starts with the core concepts that define how language enters the learners, the foundation, and the method. The foundation relies on the balance between two concepts, the SLL or the second language learning and the SLA or second language acquisition. The SLL is a conscious process, often through formal study like grammar drills or vocabulary lists. The SLA, on the other hand, is the subconscious natural process driven by meaningful real life use and interaction. A strong foundation acknowledges that both are necessary for a complete learner. The foundation then dictates our method. We balance high accuracy activities and high fluency activities. The high accuracy activities, which is a result of the SLL, are the controlled practices. These are the drills and exercises designed to perfect the learned rules from SLL. The high fluency activities, which is a result of the SLA, are the free production tasks, including discussions, role plays, or debates that simulate natural use from SLA. The key here is movement, moving from the controlled accuracy in the early stages to encouraging free, free fluent production, ensuring our instruction is always practical. This flow leads directly into how we support the learners in taking risks.
To ensure learners move from accuracy to fluency successfully, our framework incorporates supportive mechanisms: P, scaffolding, and P, self-correction. Scaffolding is rooted in Vygotsky's zone of proximal development, or ZPD. This is this distance between what a learner can do independently and what they can achieve with guidance. Our task as educators is to provide learning tasks that are challenging but achievable, offer temporary support such as graphic organizers or sentence starters, which we gradually remove. Scaffolding helps the learner produce language just beyond their current ability, feeding the information back into their internal system. This leads to the self-correction based on Krashen's monitor model. This model is essentially the learner's internal editor, the conscious rules they learned through formal study. The monitor allows the learner to edit and polish their output, improving their accuracy after the initial spontaneous effort. This continuous cycle using the monitor to edit and then applying those corrected rules to new situations in the foundation is how our framework ensures consistent, incremental growth towards competence.
In summary, our ELT conceptual framework is a dynamic system focused entirely on achieving communicative competence. It begins with foundation, second language learning versus second language acquisition, moves to method, accuracy versus fluency. Then uses scaffolding, which is the zone of proximal development, to facilitate challenging tasks. And finally, integrates self correction from questions monitor to refine output. By combining these ideas, from the foundational theories of learning and acquisition to practical classroom strategies like ZPD, teachers can create a structured, supportive environment where learners are empowered to use the English language confidently and effectively. This holistic approach ensures every lesson contributes directly to the learner's overall communicative goal.